Hi friends, this is Tilak from Tilak Media Tech. Today we are going to learn how to create an anime Instagram filter reel effect. So there are many anime fans. So the anime, this perfect effect will be a more can get more likes or more follows to your account. So more impression can be gained from this type of Instagram reel. So today we are going to learn how to create this type of reel. So this channel is basically about Instagram tips, YouTube tips and etc. So if you find this topic interested, you are interested in this topic, if you are new to this channel, just click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell button so we can move on to the video. So just open your Instagram and click on the plus symbol on the top and click on the Reels tab. So you can find the effect option and swipe right. You can find a search option, just click it and click on the top search option. Just type as anime glass, ANIMEGLASSES. So I just spelled it. So you can search as anime glass. There will be a lot of filters. I recommend to select the first filter, and the third filter and fourth filter also very nice. You can find the first filter which was so amazing, so I prefer this filter. So just try it. So you can have a glass like this, and if you want tap like this, that will be an anime effect. So you can find this effect so amazing and interesting. So you can just move on to your head. The anime effect still remain in your face, and the glass also to your eye. It was attached to your eye. This effect gives a super fantastic difference from the Instagram reels, and I like this effect more. So you find this effect interested, just make your video and post on your Instagram or TikTok etc. So you can I just going to record it. I just making a snap and just clicking on it. There will be an anime effect like this, and just tap again, there will be a normal glass. So this glass is so cool, and this anime effect also so cool. So if you find this Instagram filter perfect, just click a like button here. So if you are new to this channel, just follow my Instagram, because I haven't made many reels about what I am just creating a tutorial in this channel. So if you every reels that I posted here was made in tutorial in this channel, you can find the tutorial here. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for having a more content about this type of videos. So meet you on next video with a valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tilak Media Tech.